Do you feel worried about perineal injury, so tearing during birth, or are you supporting clients and you're not really sure what to tell them to be able to help them to prevent this from happening? Because it's a real concern that a lot of people have, and statistically a lot of people do get some sort of injury during birth. Usually it's very minor and heals really well, but there are definite things that you can do to help to reduce the severity, reduce the likelihood, and if you do get an injury, to help repair it, and support and things that you can find to help you with recovery. So if you'd like to know more about those, you can come and join me for my Bitesize Birth, which is next Wednesday at 7:30 UK time. The cost is £10 and the link to join is in my bio, or you can join from my website, which is theserenitydoula.co.uk. There's a link in there. I hope to see you there. Included in this will be a PDF handout which has lots of information, links to helpful resources, also some recipes for helpful things that you can include in your diet, and also links to supplements to help with tissue repair and to help tissue elasticity to be really good, so that the tissues can stretch really nicely when they need to. So just to add, if you can't make it live, don't worry, because I send everybody a link to the recording who has signed up to join, and you get that access to that forever, so you can watch it as many times as you like. I hope to see you there.